you All right, what up, you guys? What is up? Back at it, brothers and sisters. Let's have a look over here. Let's have a look over here. In 3 seconds, I will be fully set up because I'm a stream maxing god. All right. Ooh, here we are, Monday, gang. Monday. Back at it with you guys. Very happy to be here with you guys. This is the peak of my day every day. So here we go. Just making sure everything's normal. Looks like everything's checked. Looks like everything's good. No way you're trading gold on Trump's inauguration. Why wouldn't I? Brother, why wouldn't I? High volume. Hook a brother up that volume. Started yesterday. Is this? Happy to be with you too. Happy to be here with you too. All right, guys. I'm just getting my shit together over here. So let's have a look. I know the comments today are going to be spammed with Trump coin and XRP and Bitcoin. I know they're all up, but you guys, if you're after that kind of advice, just wrong stream. I don't care about it at all. And I do that intentionally because if I start caring about crypto, which I'm not invested in at all, mentally or physically, I start to have feelings of FOMO and shit, right? Where I'm a day trader. I trade gold and that's all I do. So I don't really want to even think about the other coins and shit like that too much. Other coins and, you know, it's not my repertoire, so I'll just stay away. But yeah, we should get a lot of volume with the Trump shit going on. Should get some good volume, right? I've got a couple of areas marked out of interest, and and that's what I'm thinking at the moment. So let me have a look over here. So this is the first 15 of the London Open session, and let's see what we can get going on. How was gold traded? Same way as any other pair. What up, Pharaoh? What up, Kelvin? What up, all you cats in the YouTube? Good to be here with you guys. Good to be here with you guys. Had a pretty crazy stream on Friday, if you guys were there. But yeah, I know Bitcoin, it's just crazy. Like, just crazy stuff. But again, there's no point of me personally looking at it, but oh my God, like I should do this, that, it's going up, down. Oh, Trump coin's up 6 trillion%. Oh, it's back down 40%. Like, I don't trade any of that shit, so I'll just stay away. Because if I start looking into it too much, you start to get FOMO, and then it's like, bro, what's the eye of the prize is the day trading skill set. Just day trading, show up one every day. Boom, boom, boom. Is it smart to invest in Trump coin? I have no idea, brother. This is not financial advice, and I personally don't. It could be the greatest rug pull of all of history, the presidential rug pull. What up, Vic? But yeah, here we are over in gold. So we'll see how this first 15 wants to close over here, right? I know, again, a lot of people are going to be like, dude, Trump, Bitcoin, this, that. I'm like, I don't know, bro. I'm just here scalping gold. I'll be here tomorrow, the next day. I know I can't get rug pulled on gold. Is there news today? Let's have a look. No red folds today. But here we are, gang. Good to be here with you guys. What up, Dillawa? Good to be here with you guys. Fresh week. Fresh volatility. Should get some good volatility here with Trump. And that's what's up. I'm sitting here on this chair with my legs crossed like a little boy, and that's how we do it. How do you get into trading? How much do you start with? Every time somebody says this, I'd say you don't get into it with starting with, you know what? You get into it by learning, right? What up, John? Brother? You get into it by learning. People think because they associate trading with, you know what? So they think, oh, in order for me to get into this game, I need to invest. You know what? But it's not about that. If you want to get into it, you need to learn it first. Otherwise, you're just going to give it all away. There's a 100% chance you will give it all away. Trust me. It's not even like, oh, maybe there's a 2% chance you'll make more. No, it's 100%. And if you do make more, it'll be momentary. You'll just end up giving it all back. It's just how it works. Shout out. What up? Gold today, or is it made smooth? Yeah, gold's been pushing up all day, right? Thanks for the follow there on follows on TikTok. Thank you for the tonk tolote TikTok. What up, Cater? What candles would need to print for you to be interested to ride up the range? I'll tell you after this candle prints. Did you take any live trades yet? I just joined. Nah, I just joined as well. What up, the real Snoop Dogg O? I got a little scalp on I got a little scalp today. But yeah, let's do the thing. What up, Corey? I'm amazing, brother. Amazing. This is the best day. This is the best part of my day every day. Get to do the thing I'm passionate about with people that are also passionate about the same thing, so I can't complain. And I've seen a few people talk about on Sunday, like, is the Sunday seminar going to be posted or anything like that? And I'm not being a dick, but the answer is no. Because here's the thing, like, I put effort into doing this thing with the cats on a Sunday. And it's like, it's meant to be this interactive experience. If I just do it and then I post it, people won't even show up. They'll just wait till it gets posted. So, yeah, it's locked away in the vault. Because I want it to feel like interactive, like we're just like hanging out on a Sunday, like kind of getting shit done. Will you trade the breakout strategy? Depends if we get a breakout. I'm pretty interested in potentially a bounce within this range. Like, this isn't a no trade range for me just yet. I could be interested because it's clean range in here. It's clean traffic. There's like, 65 pips of clean traffic. Yeah, I'm the same as you, John. That's pretty similar to what I'm thinking. For sure. Yeah, I'm Aussie. I'm an Aussie, mate. Been watching you for over a week. Love the lives. Learned so much through them. Whether it's from yourself or questions in the comments. Ah, sick. Dope, Harris. Good to hear, brother. That's good to hear. Thank you for the gifts over there. I've never seen that gift, Timmy. That's a 2025 gift. Dope. Nice. What up, Graffiti? Do you think gold will... We don't predict, we react. Are you live every day? Absolutely. So make sure you drop a follow so you don't miss it. I'm also live right now on YouTube, horizontal screen where you can see the full chart. What's the strat? Price action, breakouts, bounces. Keep it simple over here, my dude. Keeping it simple. So that 1 hour dropped how many pips? Wow. 90 pips in that 1 hour candle. Like, there's a lot of volume here, you guys, with this Trump shit, so could be a good day. Volume is our friend. Someone said before, I can't believe you're trading on the Trump day. And it's like, bro, volume's our friend. Don't be scared, young dolphin. Let's hope for a good sesh. Yep, just do our same thing. Do the same thing every day. Win, lose, or draw. It's not that's not in our control. Or the only thing that's in our control is showing up and executing the game plan. That is all. Bro, you use a 15-minute for entry? Yep, I don't go any lower than the 15. But you use it for 15, the 1 hour, 30-minute. But most opportunities are rather than a 15-minute. And if they do, I need other time frames to be a confluence as well to like back up my story. So what do we got here? 5 minutes before this candle closes. Do Do you know your win rate for this strategy? No, but even if I did, it wouldn't, even if I knew my win rate for this strategy and you said, oh, sick, I'm going to implement this strategy as well, it will be completely different. Because the win rate isn't just about like, if the win rate was just purely about a strategy, then we could just get robots to do it. You need the human component of intuition, experience, and the small nuances of little things that make the win rate a win rate. It's not like here's just like a copy and paste strategy. It doesn't work like that. Otherwise everyone would be financially, you know what, through trading. Bro, I put funds in my account and it's asking for a third party. Like what? I don't know about that kind of stuff. Sorry, bro. Do you see a level? Yeah, I've marked out my 2 levels. I've marked out a couple levels over here. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok, gang. Isn't that a support breakout about to happen for a buy right there, Daniel? A support breakout. A support breakout would be below this line here for me, right? If I got a breakout below here, that would be a support breakout for me, brother. What up, S? I'm amazing. Personally, the only reason so check this out, you guys. John's in the chat said if this closes similar to what it is now, and the next one were to kind of wick down, right, wick down like this, and then kind of flip, could you look at taking a buy about there? And sure, but personally, the only reason I wouldn't be looking at that is because coming down here, these candle bodies, like that last candle body is actually bigger than the previous 2, right? I would want to see these get progressively smaller, and also that this level here, which is a major support level, wasn't really tested. And I'm always sussing that. I always like to see it give it a decent stab, even if it leaves a wick, right? I'm a bit sus the fact that it didn't really test that level. So for those 2 reasons, I'll just have to wait and see what happens over here. What does the 30 look like? Candle body's a bit small on the 30. If the 30 closed like this, I would be interested. So we'll have to wait and see over here. We'll see. What up, San? Where you learn all this, mate? Well, the first thing I ever did was I hit rock bottom and said, man, I need to change my life. How can I make more money? Blah, blah, blah. What are the highest paying jobs in the world? Engineer, doctor, blah, 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 surgeon, stock trader? What the hell's a stock trader? And what the hell do you think I first did? Where people always in the chat, they go, man, I want to learn this. How much do I invest? And it's like, hey, bro, you said I want to learn this. How much do I invest? Are you stupid? That's not how it works. Do you know what I did? I said into Google, what is trading? Figure it out. Like, learn the game. And then after months of learning the game, learning what candlesticks are, technical analysis, strategy, then go over to a demo account, practice it in a real demo account, and then from there, small, cheap funded account. You know what I'm saying? You, my friend, look exhausted. Graffiti, you always say shit like this, and you, my friend, are wrong. I am fresh as a daisy, ready to crush the game. Frank, this is called TradingView. This is called TradingView. The view to be trading on. All right, so this candle closes in a second over here. This candle closes in a second over here. Oh, that's interesting. 555. That's good. Did not hear you clearly, bro. TradingView. Check the 5-minute time frame. No, I don't look at the 5-minute, brother. I specifically don't look at the 5-minute on purpose. I don't want it to sway my opinion in any way, because I need I look at like the high time frames for like stronger confirmation. The 5 minutes just not a strong enough confirmation for me. That's all. You waiting on FVG? No, I don't know what FVG is. I ran an analysis on gold last week. It's going. Okay. You're on the 1 minute? Yeah, that's fair enough. Like, I've been a 1 minute person as well. It's all personal preference. I just found that, yeah, this is just what I do. All right, so let's have a look over here. Look at this clean range down here, right? I'm suspicious on this range down here. But the thing is, like, we can all go, okay, I anticipate gold to do this or go there or go up or go down. But then you have to go, okay, where am I going to entry? Where am I going to find my entry where I'm able to put a safe stop loss and TP? That's the game. So your giveaway stream was wild, bro. So wild, eh? It was fucking crazy, man. Oh, so funny though. Greetings from Uganda. Greetings, my friend. I want to stay up and watch this, but I got to go to sleep. Oh. Easy gifts and surprises. Got to be able to adapt to every scenario. Yeah. Well, that's the thing. When you're on the charts, you guys, like, people like take for granted like the mental fatigue it can cause, because every candle that prints, the wick, the size, how it correlates with other time frames, it's like you have to rewire your brain. Okay, this has happened now. Now I've got to think about it like this and fucking, you know what I'm saying? What broker do you use? Doesn't matter, bro. They're all the same. I don't think it matters too much. So yeah, very interesting area we're at. Let's see what happens over here. Gangland. How long do you have to keep a trade open? As long as your strategy tells you. Bro, how are you? Amazing, brother. Literally amazing. Just answer the question, legend. About brokers? I did. They're all the same. Just put money in there. It's like saying, bro, what bank account do you have your cash in? It's like, just fucking Commonwealth, I guess. Yeah, all three people got their accounts. Well, I don't know. Their accounts get set up officially on Tuesday, but the prop firm have the details. Do you stream every day? Yep, every day. Not so much on TikTok. So you guys on TikTok, I'm on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades. You can see the full chart. It's the same name as my TikTok name. I'll be live on there every day. Stupid analogy. Banks are very different. I know they're very different, but it's not a stupid analogy. It's stupid to be on a stream asking people where to put your money. Why are people asking you signal? Do you give out signals? No, not at all. I don't get it either, to be honest. Every day. My mic is gonna collapse over here. Penthouse in Dubai when? Oh man, you guys, so when I spoke to this broker the other day and they're like, oh man, you know, do all this, do all that, get people to use our broker. You know what he was trying to entice me with? I shouldn't talk shit, but he was trying, no one knows who it is, but he's going, you know all them guys that drive Lambos and shit like that? This is what they do. I was like, oh, fucking hell, man. What happened to the days of just like actually being a normal person? How did you learn to trade? Literally Google. I just went on Google, YouTube. First thing I did was understand what trading even is, and then I went in depth on trying to understand candlesticks. What are the different candlesticks terminology? What do they mean when they're in a conjunction with other candlesticks, time frames, this, that? And then I started looking into different strategies and things. I have subscribed. Dope. Subscription over here on YouTube. Dope. Thank you. I'm nearly at 2 grand over there. It took me 6 months to get to 1,000 followers on YouTube, and like 7 days to get to 2,000. How's that for like what's the word? Momentum, or like exponential growth? If I put that into like ChatGPT, I should be at like 4 trillion within the next year. At that rate of growth. Chappie, the famous account winner over here on YouTube. Dan, check the Discord. I sent my analysis. Okay, dope. I'll have a look in a sec. Now we're chilling, Chap City. Chapovsky over here. Let's have a look at some analysis over here. Or you guys, if you do chuck analysis, try your best to like put text and stuff so I know exactly what you're thinking. We've got some levels of interest here. Yep. Some sort of demand zone here we're respecting. We'll see. No, my TikTok live was removed. Did I talk about money? Frauds and scams again. I didn't talk about money. I said some shit about banks, but that's like... I said some shit about banks, but that was like nothing. TikTok is down, yeah. I think it was the broker and Lambo talk. But that's like clearly not advice or anything. Yeah, YouTube's definitely better, but 4 trillion or something like that. No, you didn't talk about money, but there's a lot of scam impersonators. Yeah, but that shouldn't get your live taken down still. That's the thing. Huh. Yeah, they definitely have it in for me, but I know a lot of people deal with this as well. But wow, a lot of guys just came over from TikTok. But yeah, what happened to TikTok? They banned me. They took the account down. So I'll submit an appeal. Last time the appeal actually worked, but usually gets rejected, and they ban you for 3 days. Bastards. Man, you have to be... I don't know how they freaking do it. The TikTok... Yeah, the algorithm is like... strong is one term, but stupid is also another term. Again, yeah. Bro, I don't know what I fucking said. Definitely wasn't anything hectic. What up, Brian? Yeah, I'll try that. First thing I do is see if I can submit an appeal. And then if it gets rejected, I'll hit the TikTok agency and see what they say. Don't say YouTube on TikTok? No, you can say YouTube. Like, think about people that stream all day and they stream like day in the lives and just all the random shit they would talk about. Interact with the viewers? Yeah, for sure. Sit down with you guys. For sure. Yeah, I do have a second account, but I'll make sure this one doesn't get banned. No, I say YouTube on TikTok all the time. Like, that's not against policy. You're allowed to do that. It's if the algorithm scans it and thinks that you're giving alluding to like some sort of scam or something like that. It's like fucking hit and miss with TikTok, eh? Every time it's like, oh. Yeah, bastards. Will you be alive on TikTok tomorrow? Fucks me now. Like if my appeal gets rejected, then I'll be banned for 3 days. So I'll be back on like Thursday. But if it goes through, yeah, then I'll be alive tomorrow. What's your opinion on trading reversal? What do you mean? I sense a sell. Yeah, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. And this is something I've been back testing and I don't quite know the success rate yet, but I'm going to give it a crack because I'm in profit for the day. If this closes like this, the next one wicks up and pushes down, I'm going to take a sell about there. That's exactly what I'm going to look for. I don't suggest anyone do it because I'm still back testing this to try and understand this strategy better or this entry better, but we'll see. We'll see. What's the 4 hour look like? I try not to have too much of a daily bias, to be honest. I try not to have too much of a daily bias. Just stop saying YouTube on TikTok and say, no, but it's not against policy. You're allowed to say YouTube on TikTok. It's not that. It's like they're somehow conscripting, like the algorithm's picking up and thinking that it's some sort of scam or some, like whenever it's financial stuff, it's always like, like TikTok's very strict with like, because they don't allow gambling essentially as well, right? So like anything that seems kind of gambly or scammy, or you got to remember, it's not like an actual human that's scanning this, it's an algorithm. Yeah, I didn't say shit. I said some shit about a bank, but that's like nothing. Bro, I love your strategy. I beg you to make some videos about it and please explain to us. I think Sunday's gonna be the best days for that. But yeah, I should too. What makes you trade gold? It was just a decision. I tried to minimize all the bullshit, jumping around 1,000 strategies, right? 1,000 different pairs and cooking my mind that way. I said, you know what, man, let me just try one pair, one strategy, one session time, and I found way more success. Discord link's expired. No, I think you have to copy the link and paste it into your bio, into your browser. Yeah, I'm on YouTube regardless every day. Every day. YouTube, like, you can do whatever. Like, YouTube's where it's at. TikTok's so lame, dude. I would love to learn how you do this, but I'm autistic and I understand how to, and don't understand how to do what you do. If you really are autistic, you'd probably be better than I am. You really just got to start Googling and try to understand what candlesticks are, what trading is. It starts at Google, honestly. Yeah, we'll see, Chris. Gold less volatile? Gold's very volatile. This is why a lot of people don't trade gold, because they're scared of the volatility to this day. No, I don't know if I'll do it more than once. We'll see. We'll see. I might try and start like packaging something together to provide like, here's the strategy, more clearer. YouTube is better, bro. Way better anyway. Way better. YouTube's chill, yeah, in comparison. TikTok has potential for good money. What do you mean, chap? You think it's going long? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. What's your opinion on ICT or TJR? I have none, honestly. At the end of the day, it's just a strategy. Everyone's strategy is just whatever. I actually don't think about like any other shit than what I do. I don't know about you, but personally, I get like two in my head if I start thinking about other shit. That's why I don't really focus on Bitcoin, other freaking coins and Trump coins and shit like that. When I know I'm a day trader, I just show up and trade daily. That's all. All right, this candle closed a bit bigger body than I wanted. But I still might be interested in testing out this entry. I don't honestly suggest anyone try it because I'm still fleshing out this strategy. Or this entry, sorry. But let me just bring some shit up on my end. I'm still kind of fleshing this shit out here. I'm in Australia. Oh, bro, YouTube's way less restrictive. I can literally just talk about money, anything. Like, I can actually speak, or like monetize it on TikTok with lives and shit like that. Yeah, for sure. Like, TikTok's extremely powerful. Like, the reach is insane. That's the thing, right? But I'm gonna put a sell stop on the futures market. Right there. Personally, let me measure the range to, so if I'm going to sell stuff about there, about 20-ish pip stop. Actually, let me lower the size a little bit because like I said, this is still a relatively fresh entry that I'm been learning through back testing. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at over here. I'm in relatively decent profit today, so if it doesn't pan out, at least I got to forward test this strategy with real emotion in the real market, and that's what's up. What's the resistance you're using? Zoom out, please. The resistance, I don't need to zoom out because the resistance is based on what's closest to us, which is right here. That's it. This is the closest level of support. Oh, sorry, that's support. You're looking at resistance. Resistance, again, don't need to zoom out. Resistance is based off here. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. It's based off kind of here. But don't worry about the resistance just yet because we're all the way down here. What's your entry price? On futures, it's 2746.3. I wouldn't suggest it, bro. I honestly wouldn't suggest it. Like, it could work out quite well, but I wouldn't suggest it. It's just something I've been back testing, that's all. 15, 30 says something else. Yeah, let's see what the 30 again. Yeah, but it's still like that 30 closure is pretty weak. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. Strong 1 hour candle engulfed all of these others. 4 hours still open. Yeah, we'll see over here. We'll see over here, my dudes. Was anyone here in the chat on Sunday? Bro, Sunday was lit. Like, Sunday webinar. And this isn't me just talking myself up. But it was just like, really got to go in depth on these support and resistance levels and breakouts and shit like that. I feel like it was valuable. We wait, absolutely. I guess the idea, like what I've been back testing, is when price comes down aggressively to a key level of resistance, you know, and all things are indicating bearish, what I've noticed a lot is you'll get a bounce up like this candle, right? And it rejects off and it's quite a larger body and you go, oh wow, looks like maybe it doesn't want to break down. And then it will typically create a bit of support, which is this candle. And if this wick here can stay lower than this wick, I've noticed it typically drops. We'll see. Sunday was great. Ah, dope. Sunday felt illegal to be free. Yeah, fuck yeah, that was sick. Have you reposted the session? No, I said earlier that I'm gonna not repost them. And the reason why is because I want it to be interactive, right? I want you guys to be there with me and we're all kind of like actually like working together. And if I just make something and post it, no one will show up because I'll be like, oh, he's just gonna post it later anyway. So it's just like, yeah. It was awesome, learn a lot. Oh, fuck yeah. Awesome, awesome. How do you stream on both Facebook and TikTok at the same time? A software called OBS. A software called OBS. Oh, what up, Ian? Oh, we've got a couple of the 10K cats here. I'm doing amazing. Just got banned on TikTok, but doing amazing regardless. Maybe I should, I'll quickly submit that appeal now. You motherfuckers, banning me for nothing. We're out here trying to make the world a good place. There's so many streams right now. If you scan on TikTok of like, boys, Trump coin's going up. Buy now, buy now. Where I'm like, don't buy now, motherfuckers. Let's just chill out. All right, access suspended. Appeal. Closure that candle. Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for being honest. Always. Always. So I'm just trying to click this appeal button. Appeal submitted. All right, we'll see. Fucking hell. This has happened like 5-6 times, and only ever once the appeal actually came back, you know, in agreements with me. Carlos, it feels to be good to be a part of you too. No, we're glad to have you here. All right, I'm going to cancel this order. Obviously, it's pushing up. I don't like it to push up this high. Maybe they ban you for cursing. No, it says frauds or scams. It always says the same thing, frauds and scams, which essentially the algorithm picks up as being like frauds or scams, I guess. Just when they know it's like financial content, they're very strict. So what I might be interested in now is if this candle can break, because I think this is a relevant level of, I'm going to bring my level down here. I think this is a pretty relevant level of resistance to some regard. If this can come back, if this can break here and retest this level, I might be interested in a buy. You know. Somebody reported you? Nah, that's because they can't take you down for that. Because think about like super famous people that stream to like fucking hundreds of thousands of people, like how many times they'd get reported. It's just when it knows it's financial content, they restrict the shit out of you. Or they're just super careful on like making sure. Yeah. And I think if that were to happen on the 15 and this kind of flipped and we took a buy, by the time like we start to move up, the 4 hour will flip bullish, right? Yeah, it was a previous support level as well. Yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty good level there. Bullish momentum could be high. Yeah, where did the TikTok go? They shut me down. They do it all the time. It's a fucking nightmare. So I've submitted an appeal. We'll see what happens. Yeah, there's a lot of bullish volume in the market. All right. I think that's pretty obvious to see. Just even the way this moved up just then, just the way I seen it pulse up like that, I'm like, yeah, I can see what's going on. We're on to you. We're on to you, Mr. Candle. Again, yeah. I've submitted an appeal. I have a feeling this one won't go through. We'll see. All right, let me do a quick check. All right, still under review. That's a good sign. Usually if it comes back too quick, it's like they usually just shut it down. La di da da da. Caught the sell when the market opened. Yeah, like the actual session opened today. Like this is it here, right? When the market opened, it just fucking didn't create a top. We just dropped. Hectic. All right, got 3 minutes over for this candle to close. We've got 3 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. 3 minutes for the candle to close. Let's see. Bro, look at the bigger picture. It's not creating a third lower low. It will go up. Yeah, it might. It might. It might. I mean, yeah, we'll see. If it closes relatively similar to how it is now and it can wick down, there's no reason not to be interested in a buy. There's absolutely no reason not to be interested in a buy other than fear. And we fear no man. So if this can do something like this, I'll take a buy about there. What would the 1 hour look like if that happens? Yep, that'll make sense. Yes, there's naked range down here, but maybe that'll get filled later. Who knows? Who knows, ladies and gentlemen? You guys, if you're not subscribed to the UE, if you could drop a subscribe, I'd appreciate it a lot. I'm close to 2,000. It took 6 months to get to 1,000 and like 7 days to get to 2, which is fucking crazy. Let's put some sort of note over here. Yeah, remind me not to get into fucking arguments with people saying dumb shit in the TikTok chat relating to banks and brokers. You do price action trade? Yep, price action. That's all. Above the previous week as well, yeah. Because obviously there's a couple of rejections here. Like I am looking at, personally, I am also looking at, you know, this level here and this level here. So if we draw a line, particularly from this level to the left, if I do that, yeah, it's kind of similar to where it's rejecting off. But at high volume, a high volume time, a strong candle closure, a retest, like when you look at these things, you've got to take into consideration all these things compound. This should be enough to push it past some of these other areas where it's had issues. Looks like an incomplete pullback. Yeah, I can see why. I can see an argument for that, but you've also got to say, like, you've also got to realize that it's very rare that the chart print like a pretty setup for you to kind of take advantage of. It's very rare. So it's kind of like you've got to stack enough to be like, is this enough to back up my story for a potential position? And for me, I think I have enough to back up my story for buys over here. I think I have enough to back up that story. I think I can back up that story. Yep, I really like this. So if this can wick down now, I'll need a wick down. If it takes off, it takes off. But I'll need that wick down. If it can wick down, I'll put a buy stop in. Yep. Good little setup over here. Good little setup over here. Nice. I need to wait a couple more seconds over here. I don't want to enter. I don't want it to flip up now. I want to give it at least a minute to breathe over here. Is this a breakout? Yep. Be patient. All right, I've got an order in here. Just a little bit above kind of the wick that it's probably about there on Forex. Right, a little bit above the wick. Pretty textbook stuff. I've actually taken a trade very similar to this on stream before. Win, lose, or draw. That's not up to me. But first thing I always do is if just say I get triggered in, I've got 23 minis over here on a 100k account. I will straight away drop this to 11 and then have my finger on the trigger prepared to take off 50% if it starts to look ugly, right? If the trade starts to look ugly, I'll take off 50%. Ladies and gentlemen, 50% take off the trade if it starts to look ugly. That's all. Do you have any... Oh, shit. Okay, there you go. So that one's just flipped up. Dope. Order filled. Fuck, that looks more than 23 pips. I mean, that looks more than 20 pips. Oh, I guess not. So move this up. Obviously, I'm going to take it before then. I'll take size off. But yeah, like I said, I'll move this to 11. Be prepared to take off size if it starts to look ugly. And that's all. I don't control whether I win, lose, or draw. I just control nothing. Literally control nothing. Only thing I can sort of control is how much I lose. If I can lose a little bit less than I ideally. And maybe if it goes into like an alright amount of profit, I'll take off 85% move to stops to break even and let the rest run. Sorry I missed yesterday. Oh, that's alright. That's alright. There's always more to do. We always got more. So let's say there's definitely a high probability this could come back down to its bottom wick. I will let it breathe a little bit if it does that, but I'll definitely be looking to manage it. I don't want to let it breathe too much. But yeah. Fuck, it's still pretty bright actually. You have a stop loss? Yeah, my stop loss is at 20 pips. 20 bangers. You're in a sell? Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough, my dude. This is like pretty textbook in accordance to my strat, so If you see what's in accordance to your strat, I just execute and then leave it in the hands of the charts. That's all. Another day, another stop loss. That's it, brother. Have you seen that shit on TikTok? It's like stop, profit, take, loss. Fuck, that's funny. Let me... Music. But we're doing it, my dudes. We are here again. Which playlist you like? What? Are you in, John? You're not live on TikTok, bro. No, they shut me down. They closed it down. I'll appeal it because it always says frauds and scams. So you have to be really careful on TikTok. But for whatever reason, they flagged it, and I'll probably be down for 3 days, to be honest. 1 minute is showing a sell. Brother! 1 minute. Where you live, bro? I live in Brisbane, Australia. Briz. Wow. Bro, I got nets. Yeah, nice. Nice, John. But yeah, like I won't be surprised if this just hangs around here or even goes back down towards the towards its wick. Don't be concerned if that happens, ladies and gentlemen. I might as well take this fucking thing out. Well, like the lower time frames have a time and a place, but the issue is if you're looking for confluence based on closed candles, the 1 minute means dick, right? You need like even the 15 isn't that strong of a confirmation. All right. What playlist? Oh, it's just a bunch of random shit that I found on YouTube. To be honest, there's about 7 different songs I just kind of handpicked, and yeah, that's all. Harple. Oh, you're from Perth. Okay, dope. Nice. You look at the 5 minute? No, don't even look at the 5 minute. I hope that happens so I can enter the trade. Yeah, just be prepared to manage it. I could see it like, I am bullish, but I could see it kind of dancing around until the 30 closes. That's all. But I'm still bullish on this, personally. What broker to use? It's prop firm account, prop account. Propovsky over here. But man, if we can get a decent push and a closure, there's very clean range to the left. Let me do a quick little have a look over here. Like to the direct left and then the secondary left. So here and here, particularly past this level, fucking clean, man. It could be a relatively okay opportunity to hold it a little bit longer. I don't know. We'll see. I don't like to get ahead of myself or start to think of certain things because, you know, it can very easily look ugly. Like that. Before you know it, it's down at the fucking stop loss. You're like, why was I thinking ahead too much? All I should be thinking about is how am I going to manage this if in the high probability it starts to turn ugly. That's all. That is all, my friends. So how are we looking over here? Not bad, not bad, not bad. What time frame is your main screen? They're both 15, brother. Damn, 170 people over here on YouTube. Dope. Did that 4 hour just flip? Okay, nice. That's right. We were looking at that, weren't we? The 4 hour. Ooh, baby girl. Baby, baby, baby candle. Flip for me, bitch. Discord server is growing nicely. Yeah, it's amazing to see. Fucking love it, man. I love to see you guys in there and fucking, it's just, yeah, it's a fucking amazing. All right, so I'll be looking to take off 85% very soon. I'll be looking to take off 85% very shortly here in a sec. How do I do that? If I'm in a buy, I click sell market. No, did I do it? Did I do it properly? I'm closing it. Bro, I fucking hate futures. I don't know how to fucking work futures, bro. I don't know how to work futures. Doesn't matter. I got the trade. All right, I'm up 700. I don't know how to fucking work futures, bro. I would be still holding. Like, I would have... Okay, what I tried to do was take off 85%, move stops to break even, and let the rest run. But I think I fucked it up, so I just had to close it all. Yeah, I got 15 pips there. Damn, I'm up solid for the day, you guys. I'm up solid for the day. You guys took 10 pips over there. And that, my friends, was textbook basic 101 shit, right, you guys? Anyone that was in the webinar on Sunday, this is like textbook basic 101 breakout shit. Oh, cool. We got a level here. We had a candle breakout, retest, flip. What else do you want? What else do you want? On the higher time frame, we're bullish. Was anyone else in that? Did anyone else take that, even though I said it's probably, I don't advise? I know, John, you were on the exact same shits. Paper money, Ghost. Paper money. No worries, Pharaoh. Damn, I wanted to hold that. This bitch is going up, you guys. This bitch is going up. I took that. Okay, dope. Man, I really wanted to let the other 15% run. I'm still in. Yeah, I'd be holding for days. I would have had to move my stops to break even. I'm actually pissed. You see, when I clicked it, it was like doing weird shit, and I was like, man, I fucked up. You guys are still in. Dope. Kitchener, you got some? I'm in. I want to learn your strategy. Join the Discord, my brother. And make sure you guys are subscribed, so because I'm live here every day, but TikTok, I'll get banned fucking like every second day. So it's like I'm still holding. Take 80% very soon. Yeah, fair. Yeah. As soon as I seen mine hit 15 pips in profit, I took 85. Well, I tried to at least. Ghost, trust me, brother. Use paper money. You will lose all your money. It's not even I'm not being a dick. Like, it's not a joke. You will 100% lose your money. Oh, okay, dope. Chap. Yep, close 85. Sick. So again, what I was planning or trying to do was close 85, move stops to break even, and let the other 15% run to heaven. Doesn't matter. So I'm up 700 on this 100K account. 700 bands. Oh, fuck me. Bro, with the playlist, it's literally, you could just use that Shazam app and like find it that way, can't you? All right, still pretty early in the session. I'm pretty keen to hang out and see if we can get another trade over here. This 30 closes in a minute. This 30 closes in a minute. You had another fake Dan add you on Discord? Bro. I guess, yeah, there's literally nothing you can do about it, right? There's nothing I can do about it, I don't think. I think it happened, like, the amount of, like, fake Raja Bankses and shit that have just follow you on TikTok or Instagram. It's crazy. I'm thinking of leaving my day job on Friday and pair trade with Daniel Daly. I know I'm regarded. Please don't. Wait, what? Bro, do not leave your day job. do not leave your day job unless you have one, a backup of cash, and two, like, you know that you're really, really consistent with trading. You've had many withdrawals and shit like that. I don't know, Jared. Like when I was in 15 pips profit, what I tried to do, but I ended up closing the whole thing, was close 85% in 15 profits, move stops to break even, let the rest do whatever. So I don't know where you got in, got out, and shit like that. I've just learned through experience, like 15 pips is good for me. I'm happy to take 15 pips. Yes, there's a time and a place. I don't know. What prop firm do you use? Apex. Apex and Vanquish trading, which I got a 50k account with them. I should start trading. I was meant to start trading that today, actually. Peter, I won't be uploading the Zoom because it's an interactive experience, and if I just upload it, no one will show because I'll just wait for the upload. You know what I mean? So that's the only thing there. All right, so this next 15, so that was a 1 hour closure just there. What's the 30 look like? Strong 30. I'm still bullish, yeah. Let's see. You can give yourself a role in the Discord, maybe? What do you mean? Can you do that? I think you... Yeah, I'll have to look into it. I'm fucking shit with Discord. Yeah, Raja Banks from back in the day. Bro, the amount of Raja Banks things that fucking... Yeah, there's so many fake Raja Banks. Who's the real Raja? Bro, one day I'm gonna meet Raja. One day I'm gonna get Raja on a stream or something. Because I fucking love that dude. I'm still in demo, but Banks proper money. Yep, just keep demoing it out. Keep getting demoed, my dude. Look at that volume pushing up there quite aggressively. And waiting for 20 pips, take 80 off. Yeah, nice. I'm fucking super bullish still. I'm pissed I closed my whole thing. That's it, chappy. Yep. Yeah, Trump coin stuff's going crazy, right? But yeah, anyone that's new, we caught a little buyer here, like essentially at this breakout here, retest, had a buy stop there, pushed up. I closed my position there. I was meant to take partials, but the whole thing closed. So now we're moving up. Looks like this is breaking that previous. Oh, that volume when you see it impulsively move like that. Oh, hot diggity. Hot diggity. I think I accidentally opened a buy and it fucking... I think I accidentally opened a sell. That is what I did. I accidentally opened a sell and I copped some fees and shit there as well. What a shame. Beautiful, beautiful move up there. Beautiful move right there. Beautiful move over there. I should have held, or even at least just take 85%. That's all. You shouldn't feel how I feel. I feel this just because I closed the whole thing when I wasn't meant to. That's the only reason I feel this way. But you know the great thing? Another setup will arise, my dude. Taxes? Yeah, for sure. Which prop firm can I use in South Africa? Not sure, brother. I'm sure you can use most of them. And the cheapest one would probably be Apex Funded Trader, right? It's fucking super cheap. Or sometimes they have like a lot of the time they have like big discounts and shit. All right, let's see if TikTok expect accepted my appeal. Oh my god, moment of truth. Okay, they're still looking at it. That's a good sign. That's a fucking good sign. Took some partials, waiting. Yep, dope. Dope. And I just have that rule kind of for myself. You know, I usually like to take partials around 15 pips. That's all. That's all. Then I'll move stops to break even, let the rest run. Happy with my profits today, so no more trades. Love that, brother. Love that. It's the exact attitude. Honestly, you guys, if you get a decent trade, oh, look at this volume. Beautiful, beautiful. The range to the left-hand side is so fucking clean, man. Took around 80. Beautiful, John. Ooh. Shout out to Raja Banks, bro, guys. Something else. Shout out to Raja Banks. We'll get him on the stream one time. I'm going to meet... Mark my words. I will meet Raja Banks one day. Put it that way. 100%. 100%. So if I took 85%, I would have just had my break-even point hit there, and I would have just, you know, taken that nice 85% trade and let the and then hit break-even for the rest, which is perfectly fine for me. Break-even already hit, bro? Yep. Well, you hopefully you took some size off before that, but yeah, It will drop? No, we don't know what will happen. We don't know if it'll drop, if it'll move. We don't know. No one knows. Yep, fair enough, John. Regardless, you got a nice 20 pip trade there, brother. Let's go to Dubai down. Bro, legit. Legit. Or something, just something. So I'll tell you what, if this candle can close similar to how it is now, I'll look for a sell. I think. Let's wait and see. Because this candle closed quite strong. This candle closed a bit smaller, right? And if this one wicks up and then closes bigger, engulfs that one, I could be interested in a sell. We could be a multi-trade session gigachads over here. I re-entered again. Ooh. Clean trade, super clean. Super clean. How long do you trade for each day? Probably like 2 hours, brother. 2 bangers. You guys, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube, I'd appreciate if you could drop a sub as well. I'll be live here every day, so you don't miss out on a fucking stream, my dudes. Bro, 50% people are saying it's going up 50%. Yeah. Who fucking knows? I'll make more of an educated decision based on my strategy when a candle closes, that's all. Thanks for looking at Apex. Yeah, have a look. Yeah, I agree, Carlos. I don't know, Eric. Oh, it depends how long you've been in the game. I'd say the cheapest, because the probability is you're going to blow it based on statistics. Right? And even if you do, you're going to learn a lot. So why not learn a lot, but with the least amount of financial investment? Yeah, it's specific, because I think there's two. There's Apex and there's Apex funded traded funder. Wow, traded funder. It took me quite a while to get funded, but it's all individual, because people say to me, how long did it take you to get consistent, profitable, funded, payout, this and that? And it's all subjective. Like, it's all different, right? So it's hard. Like, even if I told you, you're not going to get anything out of my answer, I don't believe. You know what I mean? That's all. The biggest thing was simplifying everything, but taking less trades, sticking to one session, sticking to one pair, sticking to 1 to 2 trades a day. and learning to walk away after a loss. That was the biggest thing. Yeah, I think there's a case for it, John, for sure. I think there's a case for sells depending on how this candle closes. I think there's a case for sells depending on such. I think there's a case. What's the 30? Let's wait and see, you guys. And that's why, like, even I would suggest reading that book, The Best Loser Wins. I've got it here by Tom Hugard. Because I just kept ruining my accounts by fucking revenge trading, you guys. I kept fucking absolutely ruining my accounts by revenge trading. It was atrocious, right? And you've been saying sell, lol. Yeah, but it's fair enough to say sell, but it just moved up 20 pips. So if we took a sell, we would have all lost. It's and I say this all the time, you could be right about the direction but wrong about the entry. So it's like, yes, if sells are good, that's cool, but we need to find an entry that makes sense. That's all. That's the only thing. Do you have a link to Apex? It's just bringing up Apex Funded Trader. Yeah, that's the one. Apex Funded Trader is the one. Apex Funded Trader is one. But yeah, what I was saying is, like, you guys, yeah, I kept fucking blowing up my accounts from revenge trading. And then, yeah, reading the book, like The Best Loser Wins, and really getting my head around this idea of, like, you need to really manage your emotional state once you're taking losses, man. Hunt it. Hunt it. Yeah, there's... Look, there's two options, right? It can go up or down. But it's true. I say that all the time. Oh, Young Zeke, what up, bruz? Just got banned on TikTok, part 9,000. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Woo! We just took a nice win here, Zeke, before. Took buys above here and caught it up to there, and now potentially looking for some sells. I would really like this to retrace a little bit and leave a wick. Like, I would love it to close like around here and this turn into a wick. It's getting a bit too big for me because the only reason, you guys, is if I take an entry here, my stop loss has to go all the way fucking up here. That's too big. I can already tell straight away that that's like 25 pips or more. Let's have a measurement. Oh, that's fucking heaps. That's 30 pips, 34 pips to just there. And that's where I would want to have my stop around. So I'm really going to need this to retrace up if I'm going to look for an entry. And that's what I said before. It's all good to be right about the direction, but if the market doesn't present the right entry, then it all means nothing. Nice, Zeke. Fuck yeah. Epic, bros. Actually epic. Especially being at the pub and shit as well. That's crazy, bro. Tom Hogard, man, he's got some... Yeah, he's an amazing listener. Also, I'll tell you who I really like as well. He's dead now, RIP. He seems like a legend, but David Paul, who Tom Hogard was very close with. He has like the funniest segment. He's getting interviewed and she's like, when do you know how to enter a trade? Like, how do you enter a trade? And he says, well, I'll give you one piece of advice. He's like, when you're at your desk, just before you're about to click buy or sell, I want you to grab a very hard object from your desk and smash it over your head and then just wait. And it's like so true, right? Like, because you know, like, you're just gonna get, like, the probabilities are just against you. I don't know. It's just a funny thing. I lost money in the buy and then the sell. Great. Do you know when Apex will have the discount again? No, but I know that one of their discount codes is Save Now. Save Now. Brisbane, Australia, bro. The buys that you took were very nice. I didn't manage to take them since I have seen that the last 15 of the hourly usually retraces. I like that you have that rule, but be careful. I think you should backtest that some more because you might miss out on a lot of good opportunities. But it is cool. It's good to have certain rules like that. I love your strategy, bro, and the ability to adapt to the buy and sell power. Thank you, bro. And that's the whole thing, right? Because as the market prints, we need to adapt as well. So I'm glad that you respect that, because yeah. No, and that's why I also come to the market without a bias. I'm like, let's just wait till candles print and then try to just see what happens and take advantage of it. Yeah, he's dead, bro. It's really sad. Okay, this candle just closed. Fuck, I really like that, man. But the thing is, my fucking stop loss. 25 pips. I could have a bigger stop loss with smaller size. I could have a bigger stop loss with smaller size. Let me see if this can retrace up, and I might enter with a bigger stop loss but smaller size. I think. Let me just flick through some of these timies. What's a daily? Very interesting. This is the thing, and this always happens, you guys. There's a fucking argument for both. There's an argument for both. Right? You want it to be like somewhat decisive, but there's an argument for both buys and sells. I'm going to need to see a decent wick and then use my brain after that. Another thing David Paul says is, he's like, I want you to try something. Just before you take an entry and before you set your stop loss, I want you to move your entry to where your stop loss was going to be. And watch how many times your fucking order gets into triggered and into profit. And I'm like, fuck, that's fucking funny. Because it's so true. Your channel is growing. I love it. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I love it as well. It's crazy, man. It took me 6 months to get to 1,000 and fucking, you know, a week to get to 2,000 nearly. If you guys aren't subscribed, please help me get to 2,000 subscribers. I'm so fucking close. Just posting the Discord. First win for the day. How's it going? Yeah, I've got a couple wins for the day, to be honest. It's been a good day. We took one on stream just here before. You guys, Discord is in the chat there as well if you want. Oh, Shane, this is what Shane took this morning. Huge. 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 That's why I'm confused. I see buys and sells. Yep, and a lot of the times that's the case. You'll find a fucking decent argument for both buys and sells. So you have to do enough analysis and make a decision. Am I either going to say that one's more inferior than the other? Or am I going to say, you know what? It's too much of an argument for both. I'm going to hold the ground, hold the fort for a minute, and wait till one becomes more clear. That's all. No risk, no Rari. What does the higher time frame say in your opinion? Exactly that. There's an argument for both. That's all. Everyone share the YouTube. Oh, I'd love that. Place your entry where majority put their stop loss. Yep. That's what he said. Oh, Siri thinks I'm talking to her. Do you think because of the Trump thing, the market will move? Yeah. I think we're going to get decent, like good volatility for sure this week. This will be a big week, you guys, for volatility. And don't be scared of that. Capitalize on it. Capitalize on that. That's what we want. You want volatility when you're trading. How fucking annoying is it when you enter a trade and it just hovers around your entry point? There's like not much volume, right? So like volatility is our friend. That's why I trade a high volume time like London Open and a high volatility pair like gold. What's a 30? Cool. And obviously I'll put some text here. I'll put some bloody text here. Obviously we're going to look for some sells below closure. Because we are giga chads like that. That's all. Dope. It's another day to chase our dreams. So let's just fucking see what happens over here with the market pinned. We have this bitch pinned right here. Yeah, definitely seeing more volatility than last week. Yep. Like, think about when Trump first got elected. That fucking week was insane. It was just like 80 pip moves became the norm in like a 15-minute candle. Like, honestly, like an 80 pip move on a 15-minute candle was like nothing. It was like hard to, like, my brain was finding it hard to determine like ranges. I was like, the hell? You 27? In terms of age, I'm 34. I know I act like I'm 24. Eric, you literally asked advice and I said get the 50 account. Fuck. All right, bro. Mode, enter in a buy where the sells below level is. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Yeah, I'll just be waiting for a closure and seeing if I can get some shit that makes sense. What are you placing your trades on? Apex funded trader, but I'm looking at the charts on TradingView. Sell under that line, yeah. Like, obviously, I'm going to need to wait and see how the market forms. It's not like once it gets there, I'm just clicking sell. No, I need to wait for candles to close and see how things form. But yeah, amazing stuff. But yeah, one day we're going to meet Raja. I'm going to get him on a stream or we're going to do some content in person. I don't know what it is, but I just know it's going to happen. I know it's going to happen. Because when I first came into this game, I was so fucking confused about everything, right? And I was doing all my research. And then when I started to look into strategies, I was like, oh my God, is this stuff a scam? Like, this seems so technical, all this kind of shit. And then when I came across him, this guy that's crushing it, and he just traded how I trade now, which is just mark out key areas and then just be like, sweet, candle close, take position, see you later. And I was like, wow, this is fucking incredible, right? Then you should have the stats of your trades. I mean, trade win list break. You know, I thought about that as well, but then I thought, then I'm making it too much about a game where other people are gonna like be invested in my stats and be like whether they should invest in me as like someone that follow my trades and things like that. And it's really not why I started any of this. I really just started this just to kind of do what I do, press record, and then if people want to like hang out and stuff, that's a bonus. I didn't think anyone would ever hang out because the first couple months there wasn't anyone. It was literally just me. And I think I'm just gonna keep it that way, where it's just like, no, this isn't about like showing that I'm cool or I'm not, or I win or I lose. Just hanging out, and if anyone else wants to hang out, that's sick. You have a young soul. I think it's important to stay a kid. I think it's important to just remain a kid, bro. Just be a silly goose, right? Because we're all gonna be dead, so like, let's just be gooses. There's a time and a place for everything. Yeah, I can see, but I can see what you're saying, Dilawar, that it could be looked at as encouraging. Yeah, for sure. I can see that. I can see that. Do you mean when the candle crosses the line above and by blah blah blah? Basically, Akenyajuka. No, fuck this. I'm getting this. Akenyajuka. Akenyajuka. Fuck yeah, that's a dope name. Damn, why do I have a fucking lame name like Daniel? I want to name Akenyajuka. Anyway, what I was going to say is, it's really simple. If this candle does that, literally fucking just does that. That's what I'm waiting for. Yes, there's nuances. I need to see this and that and this after that, but that's the premise. Lee, I love that you said that. You said, bro, I'm 38, but I don't feel. Oh, okay. Sorry. I thought you were meaning that you feel 38 and you don't feel like a kid at all. Because what I was going to say, because there are a lot of people that are older or mid to older and they hate they act old, right? It's a choice. Life can like beat you down and like then you act like a beat down person. I have to choose to stay upright and positive, and in order for me to stay light spirited, I guess, I feel like. But I can be serious. Like there's a time and a place. Like I work in sales. I work with selling gas to businesses, so I have to be serious as well. But even when I'm in like meetings and stuff with business people, like I'll always drop humor because humor is the most like a really important thing I feel like in human existence. Like you need humor. So look at this. I had a feeling this was going to happen. I did have a feeling this was going to happen. I don't think we're going down. I don't think we're going down. What's a 30 look like real quick? Let's see over here. I could be interested. I'm going to be potentially interested in a buy. You absolutely smashed that. Any books recommended? Yeah, Best Loser Wins. For sure, Pharaoh. I have to remind myself that I'm 38, but getting old starts creeping up real quick when you pass 30. Yeah, that's true. That's true. We're just got to stay fit, healthy, and positive. Oh, you were live for 5 minutes and got taken down? All right, let me just see if I've got a reply back from TikTok. It's fucking nerve-wracking every time I do this because I'm like, oh, they're going to say no. And that's the mission. I have to go through the shit. Okay, they haven't said anything yet. That's a good sign. That is a good sign. Message request. Buy or sell, sir. Fuck off! I rarely do well in London. 40 and 4. No, I'm 40 and 6. Suck shit, see. Best Loser Wins by Tom. Yep. Amazing, amazing book. But fuck TikTok. We crush it on YouTube regardless. What do you think about Raj's Dominion funding? Who anyone's tried this out? I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's fine. I think people overthink brokers too much. I think if I had any advice on brokers, it's just stay away from the super dodgy ones. All you have to do is Google it, and if it's just like full of dodgy reviews and 1 stars, it's like, just stay away. You banned on TikTok? Yeah, they shut my stream down tonight. But I've appealed it. We'll see if I get the appealed. If not, I'm banned for 3 days. You think they give you more advice on TikTok lives? Yeah, they don't. Like, and you think, yeah, it's fucked. It's fucked. They're real strict. If you like 34, wait till you get over 40. It will be the best time of your life, believe. Yeah, I do believe you. I do believe you. I do believe that. Oh, look at this. Dillawa uses Dominion markets. Dope. Okay. What up, Mo? I do believe that. It's all mental shit. I feel like, bro, I didn't start to get my shit together till I was like 30. I didn't start to figure so much shit out in life until I was like 30. Does all strategies also work on crypto? Just curious. I don't know. I would say yes, but I don't know enough. Don't take my advice because I just don't trade it enough. Like I took a scalp on crypto today. I took a sell on crypto today based on technicals right here. Right? Where market was coming up, created a pullback, and I took a sell right there, caught it down and took it down to here. And that was based on technicals and it worked out fine. But I wouldn't take my advice on crypto. Yeah, if someone bought TikTok, change the policy. Yeah, I've thought about that as well. That would be great. That would be fucking great. Interesting. So this 30 is going to close small red. Yeah. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. If this next candle can do this, I might take a buy if this can wick down like this and flip. I might take a buy before this support level, resistance level. I don't suggest anyone do this. This is just based on intuition, experience, and just seeing things play out in a certain way a lot. But I want to see a wick. I want to see a wick. Yeah, there's definitely a case to call it a day as well, John. I'm favoring buys personally. Yeah, fair. Yeah. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'd love to see a decent wick down. Oh, if you took longs on Bitcoin yesterday, fucking that's amazing. You would have caught a massive move. A massive move. Look at the bridge of Terabithia there in the background. Unbelievable stuff over here. All right, give me a wick over here, gold. And that'd be great. I personally believe. Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. $30. Well, you could look at this 30 as creating a bit of support and get some. I could see a aggressive move past this 30 body. I could see that happening. What does a 1 hour look like? Interesting. 40 minutes. 4 hour. I think we're hitting all-time highs again very, very soon. Very, very soon. I think we're going to be breaking through. I could be wrong completely, but yeah, I could just see that happening. Jake, what? What? Yeah, but I'm up pretty fucking decent for the day, to be brutally honest. We'll see. People overthink what I thought, bro. Like, we are overthinking everything, not to mention when it comes to press buy or sell button. Oh yeah, 100%. And that's why that's why I just mark my areas. I'm like, as soon as I see this, I'm just going to click the button and that's it. Because the more I think about it, the more I'll talk myself out of the trade. Like, how many times have you done that? Billions and billions and billions. You guys, if you're not subscribed, please drop a subscribe. I'm nearly at 2,000. If I hit 2,000, I'll be bigger than Mr. Beast in a year. And then I'll buy TikTok and change all the policies. Over again. All right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to lower my size a little bit. I'm going to lower my size a little bit. And put a buy stop here. This is me just basing this off overall bias, experience, and the fact that I'm up a decent amount for the day and willing to enter a trade based on retardation, essentially. So I don't suggest anyone do it. Because tonight will be the... Oh yeah, now I'm with you. Over again. Yeah, I go live every day, bro. So make sure you sub so you don't miss the live, my dude. We're gonna make billions and billions and billions and billions. Who's seen that Trump video? Billions and billions and billions and billions. Yeah, call it a day. Fair enough, Lee. Fair enough. We caught a nice trade here already. What up, Mikey? Wait, ready? Oh, no. A few weeks ago, you got funded with a prop account, not Apex, something like top one. Do you still trade there? I'll tell you in 1 sec. Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions. Just a compilation of all the times he said billions and billions. No, so that company I was with, I got a payout. And this is the thing that that's why I don't suggest anyone use top one trader anymore to get funded. So once you get funded, it doesn't matter how much you withdraw. As soon as you get a withdrawal, your stop loss moves to your starting point for me, which was it was 25K account. I withdrew 500, which would have took me back down to that entry point, which was 25,000. With still having 1,500 stop loss. As soon as I clicked buy on the next trade after the withdrawal, account shut down. And they're like, oh, we explained that to you. And the way they explained it is so deceptive, man. Like, they use this weird terminology to explain it, to trick you, essentially. So yeah, at least I got a decent withdrawal out of it. Bro, so many people use your name on TikTok. Yeah, I know, it's crazy, bro. You got to be careful out in these streets. It's fucking wild. It is wild. So yeah, I'll need this one to push up in the next 4 minutes. If not, I'll cancel the order. Is Forex more complicated than crypto futures? It looks a lot more stable. Well, it depends. Like, if you're involved in crypto, you're involved in like investing in what this coin might do in the future, right? If you're like us, where we just day trade, you come into the market and just execute on what the market is doing right now, and you take a little chunk of the pie along the way for the day. So it's kind of two pretty different things. Did you end up entering? Oh, we entered a trade. We got a buy here before when it was down here. We took a nice buy, and now I've just taken another entry. I'm not even going to tell you where it is because I don't suggest you take it, and I'm probably going to cancel the order very shortly. What up, Paul? Win and Mikey. Yeah, we're doing it. We're doing it. I was seeing fake Daniel Holmes before. I thought I found the real one. Bro, I am the real one. Because tonight... Oh, why is that song stuck in my head, bro? All right, Mr. Kennel. You can flip. I give you permission. You can flip and push. I give you permission. TikTok, give me good news. Give me good news. Or else. Okay, they still haven't got back to me. That is good news. What are you cats doing in the Discord? Anyone got any analysis? Let's have a real quick look at Bit. Yep, she's there, my dudes. She's there. Crazy. If you sing that song one more time. Bro, it's stuck in my head. Oh, I just had a little look at crypto. I did take a little crypto scalp today, but I'll never do that again. Like, it went well, but it was just like, I shouldn't have done it. Because that's the thing. Like, if you take a dumb trade and it reward, like you win, you get rewarded for bad behavior. Right? It's like a dog biting someone and you giving it a treat. That song is... Yeah, because they use it on all memes and shit. It's like the memes that got it stuck in my head. Over again. All right, flip up. I need 1 minute for this candle to flip. If not, I'll wait around. Oh, when is it 4 hour? 20 minutes. Sheesh. All right, I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know, my brothers. I'll give it 1 minute. This candle's got 1 minute to push up. Or else I'm calling the liquidity provider. It may just range to New York. Well, this has just been the London session here, hasn't it? Has this just been the London session here? So we haven't had nothing in the London session, but typically that happens. Like, look at this is the new Asia sesh, right? We moved like a ton. So when that typically happens, you know, we moved 200 pips in the Asia sesh. When that happens, you do get like lack of volume here in the London sesh.
Order canceled.
Order cancelled. Let me I think that's it, brothers. I think that's it. I'm up. I'm 2-0 for the day. I might that'll be it for me. That'll be it for me. My brothers from other cousins. Stay safe out there. If you're going to continue to the New York sesh, stay safe. Stay safe. The 4 hours about to close. I'll wait. I want to see how this candle closes. Let's see if it breaks out. Let's see if it breaks this level. But yeah, I think that's a smart thing is going to be to wait. Especially if you took that buy with me before. If you're in profit for the day, bro, why give it back? Why let the market one up you? Because it will. It'll get you. It'll bite you right on the dick, man. And that's not cool. It's not cool at all, so. Two minutes. Yeah, sweet. All right, bro. All right, guys. Love you guys. Thank you for being here. Be back tomorrow, definitely on YouTube. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'll be back on YouTube. Don't know if I'll be back on TikTok. We'll see. And New York won't do anything. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, good day for me. We've got a nice buy here on stream. And yeah, appreciate you guys. And I'll catch you tomorrow. If you're not in the Discord, be in the Discord. If you're buying around the dick, that's not cool.